it's got to be an upwards of 80% easily. Let me tell you something. I came into real estate. I decided before I got into real estate, before I knew the details, before I knew the X's and O's, before I knew how to do anything, I came into real estate. You ready? I said, I'm going to be successful in real estate. When you set it up that way, you get your mindset on, I'm going to find a way to be successful. There's no plan B. There's no exit strategy. Because I hear a lot of people, they come into the business and they start asking questions. I hear the market's tough. I hear things are hard. What about leads? What about this? What about training? Listen to me. Before I got in here, I said, I will be successful at this. I've done that with everything I've done. Running a marathon. I lined up to run 26.2 miles, not to see how it's going to be, not to see what's going to happen, not to give it a try. I'm going to do 26.2. And to this day, I do not have a DNF. You've got to attack anything you do in life that way. Real estate's no different. Jump into real estate and say, I'm going to be successful here. And then what you and I get to do is we get to figure it all out from there. And I promise you, with our coaching program, I can show you how to fill everything out. You got to come in saying, I'm going to be successful. So reach out to me, DM me below. In my description, I have my phone number, everything for you to reach out to me. Let me know you want to be successful in real estate, and you and I can fill it all out together.